Select your content or just click on your paragraph where you want to add rule, and here you can find the paragraph rule option, which shortcut key is Ctrl Alt Z. Once you will click on it, here you can find two options for adding rule. Number one, rule above, and number two is rule below. So it's totally up to you where you want to add rule. Just I am selecting rule above and check on it. Once you will check on, you can see here rule has been come on the para where we want to add. So let's see some properties of the rule.
Hi guys, welcome to LibreOffice.
From here we can change the width of our rule, as well as we want to change color, so we can change the color of our rule, and here type of rule how we want, like dash line or rounded lines, so we can choose from here. Here we can define our rule should be up to column or text. We can select from here as we required, and from here we can change the offset of our rule where exactly we want the rule, our exact destination of the rule, so we can change the offset something like this. If you want to move it up, so just increase the offset number. Now if it's okay, just leave it. And if you want to move our rule left or right handed, so we can do from here something like this. Once you have done all the things, just click OK. Rule will be added on your text. Similarly, you can also add the rule on below. Select the rule below and click on rule. All the properties is same here. As we have changed the above rule, we can also do from here and change the offset of your rule, something like this. So hope this video was helpful for you. So please subscribe my channel for more useful videos.